So now we're going to talk about your account name. So as you can see, I chose Ottawa Fitness Guru. I am based in Ottawa, so I just went for that randomly. You can choose any name. Now you got to keep in mind that you have the name and the username. You can see that I made both of them the same. If you can do so, it would be perfect. You need to choose a name and a username that are relevant to your niche. You can't be, for example, crazymat147 when you have an account that talks about fitness, for example. You need to have an account name and a username that are related to your niche. And as I said, try to make the name and the username under the same title. That would be the best way to go, so people can notice both of them. You don't want to have a name that is different from the username. If you have a username that is ottawa.fitness.guru, and then you have a name saying crazymat147, most people will ignore the account because there's something not right. But when people see the name and the username that are the same, basically, they're gonna basically think that, well, this account has more credibility than others. It looks more professional. Try to find usernames and names that are catchy, usernames and names that people can relate to. If there's anybody who's interested in fitness in Ottawa who's going to see this profile once it grows, they're going to basically follow it just because the username and the name, they are catchy, and they can relate to them. The reason why before I said create several accounts is kind of related to the same thing, related to the name and the username big time. Because when you have several names and usernames related to different topics, for example, you'll be able to target a bigger audience, and more people will be able to connect basically with the account because it rings a bell basically. So to wrap up really quickly, in terms of the account name, you need the name to be relevant to the niche. You want to try to use the same title for the name and the username. You want to try and find a username and name that are catchy. And lastly, just a quick note, try to choose a username and name that are not really competitive. You don't want to choose, for example, fitness motivation 3447, because there's a lot of similar usernames and names, and people will not be able to find you just through searching for you. But for example, Ottawa Fitness Guru, if you look it up, I think there are no accounts similar to the name or under the same name or whatever. So yeah, that's basically it when it comes to the account name. I'm not gonna go through how to create an account because I mean it's basic. I don't want to waste your time. Just sign up, put a username, create the account, and you're good to go.